The holiday shopping season is rapidly approaching, with Black Friday and Cyber Monday being the most significant dates in the e-commerce calendar. As a Printful client, you're already ahead of the game by leveraging on-demand fulfillment. But are you fully prepared to get your customers' attention and meet their demand? Overlooking shipping deadlines. Shipping delays can ruin the holiday spirit for your customers. Ensure timely deliveries by understanding your shipping and fulfillment partners' cutoff dates. Familiarize yourself with Printful's holiday order deadlines and communicate precise cutoff dates and shipping estimates to your customers. Publish your store's holiday order deadlines on your website's product pages, shipping section, and social media as early as possible. Your customers will be driven to buy your products early and receive them in time for the holidays. Failing to offer special deals and promotions. During the holiday season, shoppers look for bargains and special offers. Missing out on providing attractive deals can lead to lost opportunities. Plan to create exclusive product bundles or discounts. Monitor competitors' offers and be ready to match or beat them to keep customers coming to your store. During the Black Friday weekend, start with the highest discounts and end with lower discounts as the sales event wraps up. This will make your customers feel fear of missing out, prompting them to check your online shop daily to learn about the latest discounts until they make a purchase. As many as 88% of shoppers say they're willing to spend extra time comparing deals, and some will even spend a couple of hours on their research. So make sure you actively promote your deals to your customers. Neglecting retention strategies. Acquiring new customers is vital, but don't forget about your returning customers. Lack of engagement with loyal customers during the end of the year sales season might result in missed repeat sales. Utilize your online store's integration with various marketing tools to segment your customer base and send personalized, targeted emails. Offer loyalty programs or exclusive previews to keep them engaged and coming back. Use new campaign visuals, adjust your store with holiday season themed banners, and make announcements through email to your returning customer list, especially when Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas approach. Let your returning customers know your business is participating in this year's holiday sales campaign. Failing to plan for technical issues. High traffic during Black Friday and Cyber Monday can put a strain on your website, leading to slow loading times or, worse, crashes. Conduct stress tests on your website and work closely with your hosting provider to ensure your site can handle the increased traffic. Every second counts when it comes to your website's loading time. Nearly 60% of customers will abandon a site if they experience more than 3 seconds of load time, and the majority will not return. You can optimize your site's load time by reducing the number of graphics, reducing the number of downloaded pages, turning on data caching, and reducing the size of your CSS and JavaScript codes. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure your online store stands out during this key time of the year. Start preparing now and make this shopping season the most successful one yet. Happy selling!